My name's Craig Freshney. I'm the General Manager of After Sales at Essendon BMW. So prior to using NetNada, we were still undertaking sustainability operations within the dealership, various things along the lines of recycled water, waste treatment, things like that. But we wanted to actually legitimise it and make it tangible for our employees and our stakeholders to see. We've been using NetNada for about 18 months. Basically, we wanted to engage in a system that allowed us to measure and track what we were doing and actually have some targets where we could measure our gains. It's also allowed us to align with BMW Australia's strategy because they closely track their scope 1, 2 and 3 emissions, and we want to align with that. It provides us a differentiation factor that's very, very hard to come across in a franchise dealership network. It's also provided some engagement from our staff and some collaboration with some key stakeholders to actually bring it all together. So for us, the majority of our emissions come from our supply chain, so we're excited to use the data that we've got to really engage with that supply chain and look for ways to reduce the emissions. After completing the process, we realised it was very secure, very easy, and very fast to do, which was a great positive for us. So we're privileged to receive both the BMW and the Mini Dealer of the Year trophies for 2023. It was a great privilege and a testament to the hard work and dedication of the entire team.